Machines twice the price still can't match what the HL45 delivers. Meet the HL45, a 4.5-ton skid steering loader built for real jobs. Forward, reverse, precise turns in confined spaces, maximum control, minimum wasted movement. A compact turning radius gives the HL45 access where larger machines can't operate. Raise the boom, curl the bucket, dump with precision, smooth hydraulic response with zero hesitation. Up the ramp, full power climb. Attachment stays fully functional at the top. Strong traction, stable performance. Coming back down with the same confidence, controlled movement, reliable operation. HL45 skid steer loader, built for performance. Contact us for full specifications and pricing.